Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Tycoon games and build your empire in Roblox. Let's get started. First, search for Tycoon games in Roblox like Retail Tycoon, Pizza Tycoon, or Military Tycoon, then click play. Once you load in, claim a base or plot by walking onto an empty pad labeled claim. Then, start by stepping on buttons that say free dropper to produce your first item or cash flow. As you earn money, unlock new buttons to upgrade droppers, build walls, and expand your empire. Don't forget to save your progress if the game supports it, and come back later to grow your empire even bigger. The key of winning is to keep upgrading and reinvesting until you're the top tycoon on the server. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.